If you're considering buying Epha Medtech, there are a few crucial things you need to know to make sure you're making the right decision. In this video, we'll dive into 7 key points that could make or break your experience with this product. Stick around until the end, because the last thing will give you an exclusive insight that could save you a lot of time and money. Epha Medtech offers a suite of healthcare technology solutions, and while it's gaining attention for its advanced features, it's not the only player in this space. Competitors like Medtronic and Philips are also known for their reliable healthcare technology, but Epha Medtech aims to bring something unique to the table. Before you buy, it's important to understand both the strengths and weaknesses of this product compared to others. Next, the pricing structure of Epha Medtech might surprise you. It offers more flexibility than its competitors, especially when it comes to subscription-based services. This is important because many healthcare providers need scalable solutions that can adapt to changing needs. With Epha Medtech, you'll find that you're not locked into a rigid pricing model. Their cost-effective solutions make it a solid choice for clinics and hospitals looking to save on long-term investments without sacrificing quality. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Epha Medtech's platform is incredibly user-friendly, especially when compared to older, more cumbersome systems from other companies. In my experience with the product, navigating through the interface was smooth and intuitive, making it easy for healthcare professionals to quickly integrate into their workflow. This is critical in a fast-paced environment where efficiency is key, and it's one of the main reasons why Epha Medtech is gaining ground over its competitors. Now, let's talk about the technology itself. One thing that sets Epha Medtech apart is its integration capabilities. It's designed to work seamlessly with existing healthcare infrastructure, which is something that can't be said for all of its competitors. Many healthcare systems find themselves facing integration issues when using other tech, but Epha Medtech ensures that they can plug right into your existing systems without a hitch. This saves you from the headache of investing in additional hardware or software upgrades. The fifth thing to know is their customer support. I've reached out to their team a few times, and they're responsive and knowledgeable, which sets them apart from the more generic support teams at larger companies. When you're relying on technology to manage critical healthcare operations, you need a support system you can trust. Epha Medtech's dedicated support team provides a more personalized service, which is often lacking in the bigger corporations. Next, let's look at the company's reputation. While Epha Medtech is newer compared to its competitors, it has quickly built a solid reputation, especially in the field of patient management. However, it's important to consider that with a newer company, there might be some growing pains. That said, the feedback from early adopters has been overwhelmingly positive, and they continue to improve their product based on real-world usage. If you want a solution that's constantly evolving to meet the needs of healthcare providers, this could be a great choice. The final thing you need to know is the trial period. If you're unsure whether Epha Medtech is the right fit, you can actually try it out for free. Yes, you heard that right. Epha Medtech offers an incredible free trial. This allows you to get hands-on experience with the product and see for yourself how it compares to other systems on the market. This is a huge advantage, especially when other companies may not offer such an extensive trial period. If you're not satisfied, you can easily walk away without any commitment. If you're ready to give Epha Medtech a try, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best offer and can try it completely free with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see for yourself why more and more healthcare providers are switching to Epha Medtech for their technology needs.